Hi guys, on this training I wanted to share with you actually a website. It's called Canva.com, and with this website you can create different templates and designs of what you want to do out there with your marketing. This really is actually a fun tool. You can do an Instagram post, Facebook, Twitter, whatever it is that you decide that you want to do. And I wanted to actually take you into the design center and show you what your options, basically what your options are. So in this particular, I'm going to do a Facebook post. You see you can do Facebook cover, a flyer, Instagram post, blog banner. So I'm going to do a Facebook post in this one. And I wanted to really just kind of show you guys, here are some of the recently used, let's say, templates. Here was a bake sale. You have, obviously with Halloween coming, you've got the Halloween images and things like that. Happy birthday, life is better, on the beach. You can literally choose some of these templates, and our autumn offer, autumn bake sale. This is really an area where you can actually get some ideas in terms of what you want to create and what you want to post. And I just wanted to show you, there's actually different photos that you can infuse. You can do, they have categories. You have fall, food, Christmas, school, business, Thanksgiving, music, health, all of that. So you can decide what themes you want to go with, or you can actually do uploads where you can upload your own images. And that's what I recommend, guys, on your marketing. You really want to personalize your images. They have really cool stuff here. Like, here's your backgrounds. You can choose your backgrounds. If you want to do, let's say, a solid background, or you wanted to do a wall. And here they're going to be labeled. Right here they're going to tell you, like, this is free, this is free. You can use different, like maybe you wanted to do the more space background here. So what you would do is you would obviously select it, okay, and maybe you would want to put on here, you would add your text, and you can choose like the text color, your headings, what you want to put on your heading. And you might want to say something like straight to the moon with these mailbox paydays. Let me see if I can go back here. Hold on here, because I didn't. Straight to the moon, with these mailbox paydays. And then I maybe, right, guys, you can do different things. And then of course, you can obviously change the colors on this. Let's say you wanted to go with a pink instead, okay, and you wanted to give this a different look, or maybe you wanted to change the font on the text. You can actually do that as well. You can do whatever it is you decide. Maybe you want to pull this up, pull it down, that kind of thing. You're like, okay, I want to space this like right here. And you can change the lettering and that kind of thing. Obviously this is at your fingertips, guys. This is literally at your fingertips. And what's wonderful with this is you can play with this, you can resize, you can save the file. So obviously you can save these, and then you know, if you want to add your content that you're going to write above, you can do that. Or, you know, maybe you would want to put something on here, you know, the sky is the limit with these mailbox paydays or something like that. Or however you want to put, you want to create that particular image. There's lots of things that you can do. And right here at the top on the right hand side, they actually give you the option. You can publish it to Facebook, you can download, you can share the link, you can share it to Twitter, you know, whatever it is that you decide to do with this, guys. There's just lots and lots of things. There's also an elements tab here. You know, you can do the fall leaves, the ghosts, you know, here's the brains, the teeth, you know, this is kind of Halloween theme. This is, you know, go, you know, you have charts, you have grids. In other words, you can do this as a grid instead. So essentially, you decide what you want to do. I can go back to, you know, I can go back to obviously the backgrounds as well. You can add a comment and say your something like your grass can be greener, just add water, right? And then, you know, this is your comment. You know, just kind of adding some sense of humor in there for you guys. And you know, just whatever you want to do with this. You know, maybe this will let me click and drag, I don't know. I'm just obviously doing the demonstration on that. Some of this I haven't dug into everything that's in here, but I just wanted to give you kind of an overall, guys, of what you can do. And you know, you can do like backgrounds and then maybe add you know, add your own pictures. You know, here's one, look at the water's blue, and you can, you know, let me see, I'm going to put it, add a text in here that you know, says something like your future is, you know, clear as day when you decide to pursue it, right? And so let me see if that would add on here. Oh, maybe because that's an image instead of part of the template. But anyways, guys, you get the idea. You can be saying, you can be putting like a subject line above it. You can put it right on the water. You can actually probably save these images. Let me see if, okay, so I right clicked. Let me see, I copied that. So that is probably saved. Let me see if I can save. Just save this. Okay, I'm gonna save, and I assume this saved into onto my computer. Or you can decide, let's say here it's blank, and let's say share your design with others to view, guys. So you can actually email these to other people. You can decide, hey, I'm going to email this design, I created it for you. And that's really cool to know. You can go and create some designs. And I just want to encourage you guys, use this. It's a free service. They will tell you, you know, if some of the backgrounds and or the templates, you know, if you have to upgrade to utilize them. But the ones that are free, you know, it's marked on here free. And you know, here there's different photos. You can use different photos here, and you'll see they're marked free, or you can also use obviously photos of your own. Here's a really pretty one, like, you know, this is kind of cute. You know, you can do, oh, that was the background, that's why it was coming up like that. So you can you know, you can say something like, you know, there can be something sweet in store for you in your mailbox today, or something like that. And then you're showing, you know, the chocolate with the raspberries, you know, that kind of thing. So there's lots of ways, guys, that you can utilize these. And what I would do is go with your interests, go with the things that you love. And you know, if you love animals, whatever it is, you know, here's you know, someone might put something on this like you know, it's fun to cozy up at home and work, or, you know, got myself bundled to go for a walk, and, you know, working from home is allowing me to do that. There's just a lot of things that you can do, guys, in terms of when you're reading magazines, you're reading the mail that comes in, do kind of a play off of that advertising, and you can get really, really creative with what you want to do. So hopefully this helped you guys, and thanks again, guys. It's canva.com, and really have fun and experiment with what they have at their fingertips. Great way to design your marketing. Anyway, make it a great one. Take care.